Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you the TCL 10L unboxing. And I'm gonna give you my first impressions about this device, but basically, I'm really excited about this device. This is going to come to the US for $249. So TCL did send us this device, and let me tell you why I'm excited about it. So let's take a look at some of the specs. First of all, you have a 6.53-inch display, 1080p display, HDR. It is a LCD, but it actually has a processor for the display. So I'm really kind of interested to see how good this quality is. 48 megapixel camera on the rear, 16 on the front. Really interesting Bluetooth technology, which we'll have to take a look at when we get to the review, and a 4,000 milliamp battery, all for $249. TCL is really bringing it to the budget-minded phone range, and it's pretty impressive because one thing I found out was this 48 megapixel camera, it really seems like it was actually made to compete with the same camera that was on the OnePlus 7T. So you're talking about a much higher end device last year and camera quality that could be unseen at this price range. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it looks and feels, and I'll set it up and give you my first thoughts. And you do have a case. That is really cool that they included that. Display greatness is their catchphrase, so it's kind of interesting to see. Great that you get a case for it, and this looks like the material that won't yellow over time. I will say it's probably better looking than any smartphone that I've seen in this price range, to say the least. It really has that rainbow effect when you put in the light, and it's just a dark, deep blue that I really like. Let's go ahead and wipe this down a little bit, and then I will put it in the case. Okay, try to clean it as much as I could. It does pick up lint, so let's put it in here and see how it goes. And honestly, pretty nice. It does get fingerprints. I am seeing that right now, right away. So again, we'll see more of that as it comes along. But really nice looking in terms of the display for an LCD. And yeah, again, love that it has a case built in with it already that has pretty good actually lip protection on the top and bottom, so not a bad case to start off with. What else do we have in here? Power cord, simple and easy, and it is USB-A to C, so definitely gotta love that. And yeah, let me go ahead and set this up and I will tell you my initial thoughts. All right guys, so the device is all set up now, and I will say it works really well. Like, the fingerprint scanner is quick and easy. Obviously, it's a fingerprint scanner on the back, so those were always pretty good. I do like that you have face unlock on the front though, so when the phone is laying down and you can't press it, you can just look at it and it unlocks very easily. Probably not the most secure one. Again, it's probably just using the cameras, but we will look more into that as time goes on before the full review. I like this little smart key. It has a little smart key and you can program it to do what you want. So I have it set up for Google Assistant. Holding down, it'll take a screenshot, and double press, it'll launch the camera. So lots of fun stuff that you can do. I like that smart key function though, I will say that. It has some pretty interesting gestures. It has a good practice, and that's having a video app by itself. It's something I've always loved, just because sometimes I just want to look at the videos. I do not want to go through all the photos I've taken. Video app is always good. Thank you for that. I love it just comes stock already in dark mode because it knows what people want. It has some pretty interesting features that I wasn't expecting, so I'm gonna be looking into this. And yeah, to that smart key as well, you really can program it quite surprisingly with a lot of different features. So again, I'm really gonna be looking into this and kind of just seeing how it goes. But excited for a lot of things this phone has, again, at this price point. Moves quick, no real issues with it, and although I won't really go over the camera too much because, again, it's pre-production software and I will be going over it in the review, it really is good, and surprisingly good, I would say, for the most part. So we'll have to see how it turns out when it's all said and done. Overall, I am excited to test out this device and its full capabilities. This will be one of my daily drivers from now till at least a week or two. So let me know what you guys want to see. What should I test out? And yeah, overall, the screen quality for an LCD, I would have to say, isn't as bad as a lot of other LCDs. Now, maybe it's that because of the display processor, but I will say it has stood out. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you want to see from this device, and what do you want to see it go up against? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me.